Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis Paint X tutorial how to remove white background. If you want to remove the white backgrounds in Ibis Paint, you can go to layer option and there are the background option in here. You can choose white backgrounds or you can remove by clicking at this option. So to be remove the white background. You also can click another like in this option. Or you can back into white background by clicking at this option. Okay, that's it for basic Ibis Paint X tutorial, how to remove white background. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.